Ready to erupt? Ready as I'll ever be. Wait, Volcano Sisters, wait! Can't you see we're about to erupt? Well, Volcano Sisters, I am Austin. We know, just Austin. And, well, I brought you one more thing. Oh, I brought you dates. Flowers? You giving us flowers? This doesn't look good. Nice knowing your brother. Yes, flowers. And here's why. You can wear the flowers to our luau. Huh? Just Austin. Are you inviting us to your luau? Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. Bring the flowers forth. Mahalo! Oh no, mahalo! Pablo, mahalo means thank you, remember? Oh yeah. Wait, so you're not mad? Mad? Of course not. We're delighted. Just Austin figured it out. All I want is to go to your luau. We love the luau. Well, what are you waiting for? Ready to luau, Volcano Sisters? Ready to luau. Luau Brother Austin? That was a brilliant idea. You figured out exactly what we wanted. You saved the luau. You know, you're not just Austin anymore. I'm not? Nope. If I'm Tyrone the Strong and I'm Pablo the Swift, then you are Austin the Smart. Austin the Smart? I like that. And we're the legendary Luau Brothers.
These thunder days surrounded by hot and steamy lava. How nice it is to be outside with coconuts and guava. The air is fresh, the sand is soft, there's a cool breeze in the sky. And the very best thing of all is that we met you guys. We can do a hula dance or even take a walk. It sure is knowing we are meant on a hunk of wood to rock.
I climbed the highest mountain for the heavy tiki mask, but you just wished to have a party, and we just had to ask.
I swam the deepest ocean for a pearl that was so shiny, but all you really wanted was a gesture oh so tiny.
You only want a friendship, yes, I knew that from the start. And that's why they call me Austin the Smart.
We're glad, so glad.